Hello on Wednesday, April the 29th. Welcome back. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Beck. So for breakfast this morning, I'm having a toasted sandwich using 2 slices of the Neville's wholemeal bread, which are your healthy extra B. And inside that, I've got 2 bacon medallions with two fried eggs, fried in fry light, and a cheese slice, which is 2.5 sins. And I've got some plum tomatoes for speed and a coffee using some of my healthy extra A milk. For dinner today, I've got kind of a fakeaway pizza. I'm using one of the Tesco wraps, and that's 8.5 sins. I've got passata on it, which is obviously free, 30 grams of cheddar for my healthy extra A, and then some bacon, some tomatoes, onions, mushrooms, popped it under the grill just to cook it. Obviously, I burnt it slightly there, but it's fine. It tasted quite authentic, actually. It was really nice. And what I am going to do after speaking to my cousin this week, because she's on Slimming World too, and she's recommended the low dough. So obviously I think that's 2 sins for a twin pack. I think I'll double check it, but let me know if you've tried it and what it's like. After dinner, I was still feeling a bit peckish, so I had a skinny crunch with some squash, and that is 3 sins. Usually it would be part of my healthy B, but I've had my bread this morning, and then I was actually still hungry, so I had another one with a coffee a bit later on in the afternoon. So that's another 3 sins, 6 sins for the 2 of them in total. Tea today is a Filipino type of soup. It's called sopas. I've got that with some rice. It's packed full with vegetables and some chicken and a little bit of mince, but it's all free. So I'm ending today on 17 sins, but I am going to say 20 probably because I'm going to have a cup of coffee with another skinny crunch. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.